Hi, my name is Tahar Abud. I'm walking from Nordkap to Cape Town on foot, and I was last night in Georgia, and I had to cross over this bridge. So yesterday I walked there, and now they are in maintenance. But the problem is that the way is very narrow, so I cannot move over to the bridge, and on the other side it's closed. And today is Friday, and it is not that heavy, the traffic, but yesterday was really horrible. I had many problems to walk through here. So I think if you find a solution for that, for the passengers on foot, for the pedestrian, or for the bike, for the cyclists, because many Italian cyclists are on the way. I saw it yesterday. That will be fine. It is really dangerous. Thank you for that.